Now we have our API key. This key allows your app to communicate with the Firebase Authentication. To get started with this, let's import the request library. Let us now work on our signup function. It will require the email and the password in order to register a new user. Let us now put the URL for our authentication. Once we've done that, let us now put the data that needs to be sent. Let's make sure we get the response. And let's now return the response. Now let's work on our login function. We also can have the URL. And also our data as well, the response and also the return. So that is how you set up your Firebase API. Let's now go back to our main.py file. Make sure to import our Firebase API and specifically our sign up and login functions. Once we've done that, we will just work on a few functions within our screens. So we have the login screen. So let's work on our login function. So what this will do is when the user clicks the login button, it will verify the email and the password. And if it does exist, then the person will be able to log in successfully. So we take the email, the password, and then the result, which is login. And then if it is true, then we print successful. And then we can then move on to a different screen. However, if it is not successful, we can print a message so that the person can try again with the proper credentials. Now let's work on the sign up function as well. So we can create a function within our class, and this will be called when the person presses the sign up button. Yeah, and that is how you work on it. So if you like this content, please do subscribe. And if you have any questions, please do comment. And most importantly, if you have any other future tutorials that you'd like to see, please do share. And that is it for Code Slash Tutorials.